I was probably about 4 years old when I started drumming. And I started drumming because my dad did it and I just liked it.
I've been playing the pipes on and off for probably about 5 or 6 years. I went off for a few years for drum majoring, and then I've decided throughout lockdown to focus on piping.
My name is Ashley Steele and I'm 10 years old.
I'm Christie Steele and I'm 12 years old.
I am the first female drummer in the Hollymount Pipe Band throughout its history. When we do parades, it's sometimes hard, especially on a hot day, because you're walking and you're really hot and carrying the drum. But I enjoy it and it's fun.
You feel kind of like special or something. Because when you're walking down the road and you see like loads of people you know, some of your mates, some of your family, and then some of you parading with some of your friends, it's like, oh, like everybody can see me, and like I have to try to do my best for them, and it feels really cool and it's really fun. You make loads of new friends with being in a band, and you just all kind of click and you get to know each other, and then when you go out you just have fun with them and you parade and you try your best.
It is fun because you get to know lots of people, and once you know them you just become friends with them, and it's fun because you can go places with them, and it's fun on the parades because you get to talk to them and you get to see them, and it's just really fun.
Well, our granda was in the band and our dad was in the band, and then I went out on my first out day when I was 3, and I think that just, we've always grown up with it, so it just kind of always came natural to us. And then there's some people, like I know my 2 best friends, I've got them into it, and then it's like before they got into it they didn't know their granda played the pipes or their granda played the drum or somebody like that, so we've all kind of like got into it together.
I'm playing in the advanced drum pad. There is 2 people in my grade, so I'm hoping to come either first or last.
I've never been to the solos before, so I'm a wee bit nervous, but the nerves haven't really kicked in yet. I'll probably kick in the morning before and I'll probably like realise, oh my goodness, I'm going to the solos. I'm in the advanced chanter category. So, and I think there's 5 others in my grade, so I'll be up against all of them.
I've been practicing quite a bit, and I usually practice every day.
I have like wee bits, say I'll play both through the tunes twice, then I'll go on a wee break, then I'll play them just whenever I see my chanter, just pick it up and give it a good run. So I think that's a better way to practice than practicing for a solid hour, because it gives you more wee breaks and more like relaxed.
I'm trying to play my tune very clean and with lots of expression.
Well, I think good judges will be looking for definitely to keep the right tempo, because you can't go slow and fast and slow and fast. Then not too big of breaks when you're breathing, and just to make sure you're playing all your exercises clean and there's no wee catches in there, and just to play it the best that you can play it.
It's 3 days away and I'm a little bit nervous. I've done one before outside, so I don't know what it's like inside, but I'm not too nervous because I know what it's like, and it'll be exciting, and it'll probably hit me the morning that I'm doing it. I'll probably be really, really nervous, but I will still be excited to see what I get.
So the competition is 3 days away, and it hasn't really hit me yet that I'm doing it, is because I've never done it before. But I'm a wee bit nervous for it, like only a tiny bit. I think I'll be really nervous the day before, and especially the morning before. And I'm going to practice my hardest for the next 2-3 days, then I'm going to take a wee break and I'm just going to go to bed early, get loads of rest and then practice in the morning and just hope for the best. I'm feeling really nervous, but like I think I'll be fine, hopefully.
I'm not that nervous.
So you've done it before?
I've done it before. I'm not that nervous.
I'm just going to go in and try my best and hopefully it turns out really good.
I'm hoping I do really well. I'm going to play my best and try really hard.
I think I did okay. I made a few wee mistakes, but we'll just have to wait and see how I get on.
I think I played really well. It was fun. I enjoyed it, and now I just have to wait for the results.
First, for the gold medal and certificate is Ashley Steele. Well done, Ashley.
Thank you.
We'll get one certificate. This is Christie Steele and Shay Mullen.
I did really well. I came first and I'm proud of myself.
I came joint third and I'm really happy with that result.